Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to discuss with you all about one important basic disease, that is beriberi. So what is mean by beriberi? Beriberi is actually a vitamin deficiency disease. It is actually a vitamin deficiency disease. Everyone know that we almost know that vitamins are very important in the human body. Without vitamins, we cannot survive because vitamins are the basic essential nutrient and requirement for the body. So that because of the vitamins, what will happen? We will get energized and we will get sufficient requirement of nutrients to the blood, and because of that requirement, what will happen? Our body will function so effectively. This is the basic common thing about the vitamins. Beriberi is actually a vitamin deficiency disease. Vitamins, there are water soluble vitamins, fat soluble vitamins present. I will tell you in another video about what is water soluble vitamins and what are fat soluble vitamins. So before going to that, first now I will tell you about the what is the vitamin deficiency disease, that is beriberi. Which vitamin will cause beriberi? Vitamin B1. B1 vitamin. Vitamin B1 will cause beriberi. If there are so many vitamins like B1, B2 and all those B6, B12. There are so many vitamins. But in that, especially beriberi deficiency disease will be caused because of one vitamin, that is B1 vitamin. Vitamin B1, that is also called as thiamine. Thiamine. Thiamine is the vitamin B1. When thiamine, that is vitamin B1 is less, then this disease occurs, that is beriberi. The most important thing about beriberi, like this disease will happen because of the staple food. Staple food. Because of whose staple food is milled rice, which lacks this vitamin, lacking thiamine, that is B1. Mostly we will find this thiamine in the rice generally. Because of this thiamine, that is B1, we are getting a sufficient nutrient which will keep our vitamins stable, and we will not be getting the disease beriberi. If there is a lack of thiamine, that is B1 in the in the rice, in the milling rice especially, if there is a lack of this thiamine, that is B1 in the rice, then you will get this disease, that is beriberi. And what are the symptoms of beriberi? Symptoms. The main symptom of beriberi is extreme weakness. You will be having extreme weakness. And why extreme weakness? Because rice is the main energy. Rice is the main carbohydrate that will energize your body system, that will make your body and immune system very active. When you have this lacking of this thiamine, what will happen? Definitely you will be getting extreme weakness and you are not able to be active at all. Another symptom is swelling. Swelling, pain in legs. You will be having lot of pain in the legs. That is the main symptom. Another one is headache, shortness of breath, enlarged heart. Main symptoms are extreme weakness, swelling, pain in the legs, headache, shortness of breath. there will be heart will be enlarged, and also loss of appetite. You will not become very hungry soon, and there will be lack of hunger. That is the main symptom also because of beriberi. And now, how you will be getting cured by this? You have to find the rice, if there is a polished rice. If you are having polished rice, polished rice, if you are eating, then you have to add some vegetables, vegetables and some protein. You should add all these veggies, protein and some milk. All these are the basic thing that you have to add to the rice. Along with this rice, you have to take some vegetables, some protein. All this will be included to meet that deficiency, so that you will not get this deficiency disease. If you are including all kind of items like vegetables, some proteins, milk, curd, all this will be added along with the rice also, then that deficiency, that lacking of thiamine will be balanced. The nutrients and all the essential minerals and nutrients vitamins will be reached to the body, and that will supply to the various parts of the body. So what is beriberi? Beriberi, it is actually a vitamin deficiency disease. Beriberi is also which vitamin is affected, that is because which vitamin will be lacking, that is vitamin B1. Vitamin B1 is thiamine. And then because of the lacking of this thiamine in the rice especially, that is milled rice, because of that you will be getting this disease, that is beriberi. And what are the symptoms? Symptoms of this beriberi deficiency disease is extreme weakness of the body, swelling or pain in the legs, headache, shortness of the breath, and also heart will be enlarged. This is the basic symptoms of beriberi deficiency disease. And to meet this requirement of vitamin deficiency, you have to eat some polished rice. Along with that, you have to eat some vegetables and some requirement like wheat, protein, milk, curd. All this will be added to your diet, so that it will meet your essential nutrient to the body, which will supply effectively the nutrients to the body. If you like my video and for more updates, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, guys.